Alright, we got the mini bike upside down here. Here's that brace and the weld. Gotta weld all that. Here's the chain tensioner. Doesn't spin very well, but the first welder that I got, I was using these actually as scrap pieces at first because I couldn't get the welder to work right, and I ended up taking it back to Home Depot. This one, but the box was already open when I got it, and so I got a new one, and that's all good. But that was like a couple months ago that happened, so I gotta clean all this stuff off and sand it all down so it's nice and smooth. And that happened over here and stuff, so I gotta re-weld all this stuff because some of it's good, like that. Like, that's pretty good, it's just dirty. But, yeah, so I got that up. Yeah, engine, nothing's changed with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the rear suspension off now, get the front fork off so I can get this frame all welded, so, yeah. Tedious. This wheel is jacked up. Gotta get a new wheel. Alright, got the frame mostly apart. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's take 5/8 pillow blocks in case you guys are wanting to do anything. And it's just plates, and I need to cut it so it's like this, and then washers for spacers, and old handlebars cut in half, and it works great. So gotta do that still, but that's good. And then this is 3/4 inch and 4 of those pillow blocks. Yeah, 2 of these pillow blocks and a 5/8 30 rod, and that works great, nice and strong. Original gas tank from this, just remounted and welded, just kind of tack welded on. And then this wheel is from Go Power Sports, which is great. I like this wheel. This is from Harbor Freight, and it sucks. And it already broke, and I just kind of welded it on, even through the paint and stuff. So I'm gonna buy another one of these wheels and get dirt tires for the front wheel too. So this is gonna be going away soon. It's just gonna be on for right now. So, oh, I gotta take the seat off. It's pretty light without all the other stuff on it. Okay, this chain tensioner off. Okay. this is just a piece of plywood for right now. And I did the bolt holes, I got some of this other 1/2-inch tubing and cut it real short and then just welded it in. And it's perfect for these 3/8 bolts. Fits perfectly. Just the frame. Got the forks, wheels, engine, seat, swing arm, all that stuff. So, yeah. This will be the end of part 2, disassembling the frame, and I'll probably have another video up soon of welding everything. So, that stuff all fell. So, next video will be welding all this, getting all ready to go, and after that, probably a video with new front suspension building, and then a painting, or prepping it for paint, then a painting video, and then should be just about complete. Alright, bye.